Hello guys, welcome to Fed Forex weekly analysis for the month of December 9th to 13th. In this analysis, I'll be showing you what to anticipate and the bias for our FS triads, DXY, EURUSD, and GBPUSD. But the good news is I'll be adding two extra pairs that you can take advantage of for today, because there is something that I observed that will also benefit you, such as that was USD CHF and Euro JPY. All right, so I advise you to sit back and watch the video to the ending. All right, but that notwithstanding, please make sure you subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on TikTok. And also you can be part of our community on Telegram, where we give updates and details of what is happening on the pairs of our interest. All right, so sit back and enjoy the video. Now on weekly time frame on DXY, you can see here weekly time frame on DXY, price just retest into an FVG, right? So the overall, you can see that price is still very much bullish on DXY. Price is still very much bullish, right? So on Euro USD, as you can see here on Euro USD, price reacts off an FVG. Don't forget, there are two liquidity that price always hunt for, right? Internal liquidity and external liquidity. All right, that is how price moves from internal to external and from external to internal. Here you can see that price on the just concluded trading week, price reacts off the FVG. All right, for those of you that trade CRT, it's an indication here that this is a turtle soup, right? For those of you that trade CRT, this is a turtle soup. This is a turtle soup. Price reacts off and close inside the candle, previous week candle. So it's a sign that price reacts off internal liquidity. So what is the next target? External liquidity. So on Euro USD, price is still bearish. On GBPUSD, what are you seeing here? Same thing, right? Price close inside after reacting off an FEG. So the next thing is this blue trend line. So from internal to what? To external liquidity. What is external liquidity here in this context? Previous week low. So GBPUSD is still very much what? Bearish. So for the heartfelt bias for the week, what are we anticipating? We're anticipating a bearish move for heartfelt bias. What are you going to hunt for that bearish move? What are the things to expect, to anticipate, the setup that you should look out for? You will go to H1. I want to make sure this video is short. You go to H1 time frame on EURUSD, GBUSD, and DXY. Go to H1 time frame and adhere to the power of 3: accumulation, manipulation, distribution. All right, so what is it manipulating to? Since we are going to sell, you wait for price to take off Asian high. Take note. Wait for price to take off Asian high on GU and EU. After price has taken off the Asian high and DXY takes the Asian low, you anticipate a crack in correlation. Watch out for a crack in correlation between GU and EU, or EU and DXY. When there's a crack in correlation after the first criteria has been met, which is Asian high, number one, the next thing is an SMT. And after an SMT, the third thing you should look out for is another block. So price should close below the last bullish candle. All right, that is another block. Then price should retest into it, and you take your sell. What do? The high of the other block becomes your stop loss, and you anticipate risk 1 to 2, or you target previous day low. So if the setup presents itself on Monday, automatically Friday becomes your previous day low. If it happens on Tuesday, Monday becomes your previous day low. So that is our setup on the heartfelt buyers for the week. All right. So for those who don't trade heartfelt, now let me show you what you can anticipate for the week. If you have other strategy you trade, what to look out for. Let's see what price holds for us on the H4, right? On H4 time frame. Let's see on H4 time frame. On Gbpusd, H4 time frame. What are you seeing here, guys? On Gbpusd, if you don't trade heartfelt strategy, you want to ride this. This is a setup that you should not joke with. All right. So on Gbpusd, you can see that price is on supply zone, almost at the supply zone on Gbpusd on supply zone. Look at this now. The top of this is your invalidation. So if price takes off, even the rejection block here, if price go as far as this rejection block, this setup, this bearish move is invalidated. Take note. So any sell setup you want to look, depending on your strategy, look for that setup within this region. All right. There's an FVG here. There's an FVG here. There's an FVG here. So price trade into that FVG. Trade that IVG. You look for entry according to time and price. Look for entry on lower time frame. Take note of your time and price, please. On lower time frame, look for an entry such as 5 minutes or 15 minutes. So if you can get an entry on 5 minutes, fine, and you write it down, here should become your target. If you get an entry on 5 minutes, guys, you should be able to anticipate risk 1 to 10 as your target. That means if you are risking $1, you should be able to, at the end of the day, be able to hit a target of $10. If you're risking $100, you're able to hit a target of $1,000. Do you get what I'm saying now? So this is just what you should look at for within this FVG for the week. But if it hits around this zone, this rejection block, or the high of this bearish block, it means this bearish setup has been invalidated. You get that now? You get that? So that is for those who don't trade HF but want to take advantage of this setup. You can check Euro USD. The same thing apply on Euro USD. So let me quickly show you Euro JPY, or better still, let's check UCHF first. So guys, this is USD CHF, USD CHF. What I'm looking at for USD CHF is this. Look at this now. If price should close above this marked zone, right, this block here, if price should close above this block, I will wait for a price to retest it. Take note, the moment price close above the block, above this marked, this line marked, right, the moment price closes above it, you wait for price to retest it. The moment price retest it, go to your lower time frame, 5 minutes or 15 minutes, and take an entry and target about 40 to 50 pips into this block, all right, into this supply zone. So you can trade into that supply zone. Then why the invalidation is this the low here. Once price hit it, it means this setup is invalidated. So no matter what you see around here, until this high, until price close, not weak, closes above this high, all right, on H4, don't look for is a buy. Wait for price to close above it and retest into it. Then you can take a buy on lower time frame. If it hits your stop loss, you go in again until it's invalidated. If not, we are targeting this supply zone. All right, that is that for USD CHF. Now let's check Euro JPY. This is Euro JPY. This is another setup. Most of my mentees are already on this trade, and took this trade at this point here. You see how price reacted up here. So we are targeting this area that has been marked. That area is where we are targeting. 160.545, 160.445, 545 is our target on this. So you can still take advantage of Euro JPY. You get that now? Take advantage of Euro JPY. If price gives you a setup on lower time frame Monday or Tuesday, as the case may be, you can take a buy entry and target. Take a buy entry and target 160.545. All right, that areas will complete this swing. All right, complete this full swing here. Full swing. So this is the high here. It's the liquidity resting here that price needs to grab. So there's a drawn liquidity at the top. So price should hit those areas as the case may be. So that is that for today. We have done EU, GU, UCHF, and Euro JPY. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow us, and share these videos to others so as we grow to reach out to people. So you can also get prompt notification each time videos like this is dropped. Please, you can drop your question, drop your comment. If any of them hit any of the target stipulated or our stop loss, please drop a comment. Either it could be a question or it could be anything at all, but just drop a comment in our chat box anytime, either anytime the take profit is hit or the stop loss is crushed. Please make sure drop a comment and let's get feedback from you. All right, we meet on weekend for a review on this. I wish you a fulfilled trading week. God bless you.